When Niels Bohr first arrived in England in 1911, he carried with him little more than a full suitcase full of clothes, a large dictionary, and the complete works of Charles Dickens. Few would have guessed this 26-year-old football-playing Dane, who had only just completed his PhD in theoretical physics, would within 1 year be known as the grandfather of modern quantum mechanics. You see, it was Bohr who in 1912 presented the first modern model of the atom, complete with descriptions of electron orbits, excitation and de-excitation. In 1922, Bohr received the Nobel Prize in Physics for this groundbreaking work. Being awarded the Nobel Prize was far beyond the most prestigious recognition Bohr could ever receive. It marked the pinnacle of his career and symbolized one of his greatest accomplishments. However, there was a time when it seemed this symbol of Bohr's greatest work might be lost forever. In the autumn of 1943, the Second World War was well underway, and Denmark was going into its third year of Nazi occupation. It was at this time that Bohr, who was living and working in Copenhagen, began to hear rumors that his half-Jewish ancestry had leaked out to the Nazis. Fearing for his life, he decided to attempt an escape to neutral Sweden. Bohr realized it wouldn't be wise to bring along his Nobel Prize. There was a strong possibility that if he was stopped by the Nazi soldiers, he'd be searched, and the possession of the prize would undoubtedly reveal his identity. Not wanting to take any risks, Bohr shifted his attentions towards hiding the medal. Adding to this dilemma was the fact that Bohr also had in his possession the medal of his good friend and fellow physicist, Max von Laue, who had given the medal to Bohr for safekeeping. Still, with all these complications, an ingenious solution was found. After reflecting a few moments on his knowledge of chemistry, Bohr quickly realized that he could dissolve the 8-ounce metals in a jar of aqua regia, royal water in Latin. A mixture of nitric acid and hydrochloric acid, it's one of the few substances that will dissolve both gold and platinum. Bohr eventually fled Denmark by hiding out in a midnight fishing boat traveling to Sweden. From Sweden, he was flown back to England in the bomb bay of a Mosquito aircraft. After the war, Bohr returned to Copenhagen and was joyed to find that his inconspicuous solution of dissolved gold had escaped detection. It was then that he precipitated the gold out of the acid solution and promptly had the metals recasted.